That sound, the dread of looking out your window to see a foot of fresh powder, and the sinking feeling that your snow blower just isn't up to the task. Maybe it clogs, maybe it struggles, or maybe you're still using a shovel. But what if you knew with absolute certainty the perfect machine for your driveway, your budget, and your back? After testing dozens of models in the worst conditions, I found the only 4 snow blowers that truly dominate. One of them is a quiet genius for suburban streets, and another is an absolute monster that eats snow for breakfast. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes you'll never have to guess again. This is the definitive guide to conquering winter. Starting at number 1. Ariens Classic Snow Blower. This gas-powered model easily cleared over 4 inches of snow from a combined total of 1,000 square feet of driveway, walkway, and sidewalk. It traveled with minimal effort, too, even on an incline, thanks to its self-propel function. You can also lock the auger lever in place so you don't have to continuously hold it down for the snow blower to operate. It took 40 minutes to fully assemble this model, though, which is longer than most of the snow blowers on this list. The installation also required additional tools, such as needle nose pliers and various socket wrenches. That aside, we found this model to offer a solid overall value due to its mid-range price and its 2-stage, self-propelled design. Number 2. EGO Power Plus Cordless Single-Stage Snow Blower. It took just 10 minutes to put this snow blower together, which was the fastest setup time of any model on this list. The 2 included batteries also arrived fully charged, so it was ready to use almost immediately. While it isn't self-propelled, we found this smaller model easy enough to move with little effort. It also did a very good job clearing 3 to 4 inches of dense snow without complaint, though it did take longer to get through the larger snow drifts of up to 8 inches during our testing. This snow blower easily made it through shorter run times of 15 minutes or less with battery life to spare. However, it takes an hour to recharge the batteries. For that reason, we recommend this model for clearing smaller areas that won't require a battery recharge at the halfway point. Number 3. Ariens Deluxe 28 SHO. If you need a model that can handle significant, regular snowfall, look no further. This heavy-duty, 2-stage snow blower has a 28-inch clearing width and the ability to blow snow anywhere from 3 to 55 feet away. It was extremely simple to adjust the chute to control in what direction and how far the snow traveled. We encountered light, fluffy snow and high winds during testing, making the customizability of the chute all the more important. We also liked the maneuverability of this snow blower. The power steering feature made it possible to easily follow a curved driveway, and its self-propelled design made it almost feel lightweight during operation, even though the snow blower weighs 267.5 pounds. One thing to note, this machine measures nearly 5 feet long and 4 feet high, so make sure to consider ahead of time whether you have a large enough storage spot. Number 4. EGO Power Plus Cordless 2-Stage Snow Blower. This 2-stage, self-propelled snow blower is our top choice if you're looking for a battery-powered model. While you'll still have to stop and charge the batteries for longer run times, we were impressed that the batteries still had charge after using the machine for 40 minutes. This snow blower was also simple to maneuver, even when we used it on uneven surfaces and at an angle. We would have liked to see more information in the user guide about how to correctly adjust the skid shoes, which separate the machine from the ground underneath it. Depending on how you adjust this component, the snow blower can either struggle to move over uneven surfaces or leave too much snow on the ground. You might need to play with how the skid shoes are positioned to find the right setting for your needs. And there you have it, the 4 kings of snow removal. No more confusion, no more regret, just a clear path through winter. Ready to make your choice? Every single model we broke down today is linked for you down in the video description. Go find your perfect match. If this guide saved you hours of research and potential backache, please hit the like button, it really helps us out. Share this video with your neighbors, your family, anyone who needs to beat the snow this year. And subscribe for more no-nonsense gear reviews that make your life easier. We're just getting started. Until next time, stay warm and stay clear.